In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop loss Moomoo. A stop loss is a simple tool that can automatically sell your shares if the price falls to a level you choose, helping you cap downside and trade with less stress. I'll walk you through the clearest way to set it up right inside the Moomoo app while you place a trade, and then explain the different stop types so you pick the one that fits your plan. Start by opening the Moomoo app and finding the stock you want to protect. Use the search bar to look up the ticker, then open its page and tap Trade. On the order ticket, you'll see the default order type is usually Limit or Market. Change that to Stop or Stop Limit because a stop loss needs a trigger to activate. Make sure the direction is set to sell so the order will close or reduce your position if price drops. Now enter your trigger price. This is the level where you want Moomoo to act. Next, choose what should happen after it triggers. Market or limit. If you choose market, once the trigger price is touched, the order will try to fill immediately at the best available price. If you choose limit, you'll control the worst price you're willing to accept after the trigger. Enter the quantity you want protected, review the details carefully, and tap Sell or Confirm. That's it. Your stop loss is now active and will monitor the market for you. Here's how the main stop types work. A stop, also called a stop market, is designed for speed. It prioritizes getting you out quickly, though in fast moves you may see slippage between the trigger and the actual fill. A stop limit adds control by converting to a limit order after the trigger, which can help you avoid poor fills, but in a sharp drop it may not execute if the price skips past your limit. There's also a trailing stop, which automatically moves up with the stock as it rises, helping you lock in gains on a trend without having to constantly adjust the order. A quick example makes this real. Imagine you bought a stock at 100 and you set your stop loss trigger at 90. If the price falls to 90, Moomoo will automatically submit your sell order according to the type you chose, helping you exit the trade as planned. Before you finish, pause for a final review of the trigger price, the post-trigger order type, and the quantity. Small mistakes there can lead to big surprises. Set it up once and let the stop loss do the watching for you.